Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Vilpi and here I have the new iPhone 13 Pro for the unboxing. This is the gold color. It has 128 gigabytes of storage, but you can have it with graphite, silver or Sierra blue color. Sierra blue is the new color. And you can actually go up to 1 terabyte. So this one costs around 1,179 euros. And the 1 terabyte version goes up to around 1,800 euros. So let's go and have a look at the device. So the box is quite similar to iPhone 12 from last year. It has no charger inside the box. The only thing we get in addition to the phone itself is this lightning cable that we have had for iPhones for several years. And then we have some stickers and paperwork. So this new iPhone 13 Pro, I would say the main difference, except the chipset that has improved compared to the previous year iPhone 12 Pro, is the display and the camera. So the display here, we have a 120 Hertz refresh rate display compared to the previous year, which was 60. And we also have a smaller notch of the display. The camera is bigger as well and supposed to have better quality. And this gold color, I really like this color, especially the frame. The frame is like real gold color, I would say. It's glossy, so it's very like fingerprint magnet, but I really like the color. I mean, the contrast between front, which is black, and the frame, which is gold, it just feels very premium and like very luxury, I would say. So I really like this combination. But the back of the phone, as you can see, it's very light, so it's not really gold. It's very close even to a white color, I would say. But overall feeling, overall build quality is what you expect from iPhone. And I think this Pro version, in terms of feeling and how it looks, it feels a little bit more premium compared to the iPhone 13, the regular one, not the Pro version. Even the camera module and how it has been arranged and designed, as well as the quality of it, it just feels better compared to the regular iPhone 13. At the end of this video, I will try to have a small comparison between this one and the regular iPhone 13. But overall, I really like this design, and it's very tempting for me to switch to actually iPhone. But it was only because of if it wasn't because of the OS, I would have switched to iPhone. I prefer Android. Now I have this boot up. So as you can see, the screen is very similar. It's brighter than the last year and also the regular 13. It's 1000 nits and it can go up to 1200. But the speed and the refresh rate is quite noticeable. It's very fast. It's very responsive. You can definitely feel and see that in compared with, for example, the 60 Hertz. So I'm very happy to see this on iPhone. And I think if you're looking to upgrade, this could be a good reason, maybe from iPhone 11 or iPhone 12 even, to upgrade. But that's it. So let me know what you think. Would you switch, for example, from iPhone 12 to iPhone 13 because of the refresh rate and the better camera? Or are you like willing to switch from, for example, Android to iPhone? Let me know down in the comments and I will grab the regular iPhone 13. So as you can see, the screen looks very similar, but the iPhone 13 Pro has the ProMotion and it's 120 Hertz. And the camera bump and the camera module and sensor is quite different. So it's much bigger. I think it's almost like double the size. And it even feels a little bit more premium. So I really like the camera module on the iPhone 13 Pro. It's much larger and it's supposed to be much better in terms of quality. And in terms of color, as you can see, the iPhone 13 Pro has a matte finish in the back and it has a glossy finish for the frame. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about these phones, this new iPhone lineup, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.